thanks for calling. We see a lot of people that do things that will put off the inevitable. And if you know you're going to give up on the motor and you're not going to fix it, maybe try some of those things because you're going to probably kill it. But if your plan is to repair it and get a proper repair done, you're going to want to get that done as soon as possible before you end up damaging something else. Because we've even got one of our sponsors from K-Seal that we've used that product on vehicles with some those types of leaks, and it has worked. It has worked.
We put it in one of our shop cars, and it'll last. It's gone a couple years, and we did it in another one here just recently too. Because here was our option: we got like a $900 car, and it's not a $1,500 put head gaskets in it. No, it's going right over for scrap. We're going to crush it. But you know what? If it would go a little longer, and I want to test and see how well it works, pour it in. It was like $10. We'll see what it does. And it worked. It was like, great. Yep. Now, yes, we could have torn it down and fixed it. What is the 100% right way to fix a car? You got to determine what's right. Is it right to spend $1,500 on a $900 car? Right. Or is it right to move on, get a better car? Or if it's the kind of thing where you can fix it affordably,
it's worth an attempt at that point.
A year or two more out of it for $10.
We put the K-Seal in it, and when I was introduced to that product about 5 years ago, I was a little curious because I was used to the old stuff that had silicates in it that would clog up heater cores anywhere that it was getting air into it, like in the cores and in the overflow tanks. They would just gum up with this garbage in there. But now they've gone. K-Seal uses a ceramic technology, and it seals it won't clog up even the smallest hole, that's inside of a flowing cooling system. It works on that pressure differential, so it seals up, and it's actually worked really good. So if you've got we see North Star Cadillacs all the time that some of them fix, some of them don't, but if they can get by, most of them are their winter beater cars, and they're just trying to get back and forth to work on, so hey, it's a good option.